Alright, hi guys. Today I'm going to do my best to teach you how to make homemade bacon. What you're going to need is 4 pounds of pork belly. Depending on if you like it fatty or meaty, buy whatever you want. 1 cup brown sugar. 1/2 cup just regular table salt. 1 tablespoon ground black pepper. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of pink curing salt, number 1. Alright, so now I'm going to add all the ingredients into this mixing bowl, and we'll whisk it up, and we'll go from there. 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup salt, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon pink curing salt, number 1. So now that it's all added, I'm going to whisk it up. Now that it's all whisked up, we're going to do our best to pack this meat slab with brown sugar. I haven't figured out a way that's not messy. I just kind of pour it in. At first it seems like it might not have enough, but honestly for 4 pounds of meat, this is a pretty good ratio I found. So we're going to flip it. You can see it's all raw now. I'm now sealing it. Alright, I finished up with all my bacon. I've got about 16 pounds of bacon. I'm going to now put it in this plastic container so that it can be refrigerated for the next week. We're going to flip each bag every day for a week. So I will see you guys on the flip side. Good morning, guys. It has now been a week since I first put these pork bellies in bags filled with curing salt and various other ingredients. It's now time to rinse them. Now that it's all rinsed off, we're going to let it soak for 1 hour. Alright, so we're just going to pat these dry, and we will get them ready for smoking. So I'm going to fill up 2 of these smoker tubes with Traeger pellets. So with these smoker tubes, we're just going to light them on fire with our blowtorch, and once these are smoking pretty good, I guess we will have some awesome bacon. You might have noticed I pushed these over as far to the edge of the grill as I can. I pushed the bacon basically to the limit as far as it can go away from these. The reason is these actually do get pretty hot, and you know, you'll notice certain areas that are way cooked more than you possibly wanted. Even this distance right here, this side's going to get a little more cooked than the rest of it, but it's not going to be a big deal. It'll be alright. So let's get into it. So those smoker tubes that I just barely got smoking right now, they will last anywhere between 4.5 and 5 hours. And from my experience, that's pretty much perfect for cold smoking bacon. So the pork belly is done smoking. We're going to check it out. So now that it's smoked, I've got the pan heating up. I'm going to slice off a couple pieces. Look at this, look at that beauty. We'll do 2 slices. This is seriously amazing. Wow. It's so intense.